We're here at Silver Lake Flat Campground. Today we are looking to do the part of the whirl from about White Baldy to the Twins, AF Twins, and then back down. It's a beautiful fall morning. It's kind of cold, so I'm doing this intro in the car while Lil Nate takes care of some business. But yeah, it should be a great day. The fall colors are absolutely amazing right now, so we'll see how it goes. It should be lit. We made it to Silver Lake, so we're here. It's really pretty. There's actually more water than we expected, and yeah, it's so far been nice. A little warmer, honestly, than I expected. Thought I was gonna freeze up here, but now we're just gonna head up to Silver Glance Lake and then hit the ridge and Red Baldy, Red Stack, and the Twins. It's gonna be good. To the Silver Lake Glance. I'm not really sure what it's called. I think we have White Baldy somewhere over here, and then Red Baldy or Red Stack. I'm not really sure, but I think we're just gonna kind of bushwhack up to the ridge and then do our ridge walk and over to the Twins. Should be lit. So we're about halfway up this bushwhack from Silver.
It's not a bushwhack.
It's not a bushwhack, but I don't know what it is. It's very steep, but it's really cool because we're at a part where you can see where the mountain changes from granite into this red slate rock stuff. I have no idea what it is, but it's cool because you can see where it changes. We're just like right in the middle of that, but it's very steep. But it's lit.
kind of on an edge here. We made it through probably the most technical part of the ridgeline. I don't know. There might be a couple spots here on the way up. The rest of the way that might be a little sketchy, but overall it's been great. Great weather, barely any wind, not many people up here. Saw one person, and yeah, it's been pretty good.
So we're coming down, and you see Red Stack here behind us. It's pretty straight up. We just did the most exciting part of the ridgeline, but me and Lily are both feeling pretty guilty about skipping the morning session of general conference. So I think we're just gonna kind of, instead of hitting the twins, we're just gonna bushwhack kind of down, and then we'll just hit the trail eventually, or hit a road, and then kind of cut the day short a little bit instead of hitting the twins. But still super fun ridgeline overall, and it's been a beautiful day.
Made it. It's yeah, it was a good day. Great weather, great colors, and this is a good time. I'm kind of glad that we bailed before going up Red Stack. It just would have been a lot of elevation for not that cool of a ridgeline. Some good views, definitely, but yeah, I think timing wise this worked out great to just call it there, and we didn't have too bad of a bushwhack, so made it back all safe and sound. Now Coke.